Yo guys, thanks for being here. My name is Chris, and today I want to show you how to do exactly what you're seeing on the screen right now. And we'll be buying together some items to see if this is working for real. I want to make it as easy for you guys, so please watch all the steps. I have already skipped or fast-forwarded all the boring parts of the video. Let's start by opening my ZEPETO game and show you how many Zems I have at the moment. As you can see right here, 0 and 1240, 0 Zems doesn't sound too good, right? I know you can do quests or visit the lucky tab to get some small amounts of that, but it would be a lot of wasted time. And you also have to wait for a while to watch all these ads again if you want to gain some more. It's cool you can do it, but let's find out if there are better ways. I want to buy some of the items here, but these require Zems only, unfortunately. Don't worry guys, we will resolve that in a few moments. I recently found this site called ontweek.com. I was wondering if this is another waste of time. But then I decided I have nothing to lose, so here is me showing you a live demonstration of all the process. Simply type ZEPETO in the search bar or scroll down to find it. Don't worry guys, this process is easy and we're just some minutes away of seeing many Zems. Here you can see recent activity too, so I guess more people found about this already. Now I see that I need to enter my username. If you forgot it, simply check back the game and you can easily find it by clicking this profile button right here. Clicking the username will automatically copy it. I won't show the whole username as this is my personal account, and I don't want to receive hundreds of friend requests. I'm going to copy it here, select my device, Android in my case, and then we have to wait a bit. I'm going to select the max amount in both cases. I really want to get the most of it. Sometimes at the end of this process, you have to do another step in order to finish all the job. Fortunately, guys, there's no need to explain it here because they have good instructions and a good guide, which I also followed. After finishing that step, let's get back to our ZEPETO game and see if my Zems are there or not. Take some time to load. And here we go, guys. This is extremely nice to watch. I don't even know how to rotate my phone in order to show you this is for real, and it's not any picture over the video. I'll try to put my finger over the Zems too. Oh my god, guys, I've done this one time already. This is my second time, but I still can't believe how easy it is. Sorry for shaking my phone like a crazy guy. My happiness explains it, I guess. Okay, so now you're probably thinking, if this is real, this guy has to buy some things from the ZEPETO shop. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's buy that swimming suit or whatever it was at the beginning of my video. I decided to screen record the whole thing so you can clearly see the notifications after buying something. As I said, I'm going to buy something from the summer category. And firstly, I would like to add this umbrella. Then let's see. I think I'm going to go with... Where was that item? Oh, right. This one. Okay, guys, now. As you can see, I have 50k Zems, so I can buy anything. And here you go. I'm hitting the button, and we should see the purchase notification immediately. That's right. Now I got 49,989 Zems left. More than enough to buy hundreds of items indeed. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, and even a subscribe if you wish. It really helps, and it doesn't hurt anyone. See you in the next video.